If you're looking to use ShopWired for dropshipping, you're in the right place. ShopWired is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to set up an online store quickly, but is it the best solution for dropshipping? Let's break it down, step by step, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. First thing, ShopWired is incredibly easy to set up. You don't need any technical skills to get started. The platform guides you through the process with a simple interface. Whether you're a beginner or experienced seller, you'll appreciate the user-friendly design. But while it's easy to use, it may not offer the same level of customizability as other platforms. If you want total control over every element of your site, you might feel a bit limited. Next thing to consider is ShopWired's dropshipping integration. ShopWired integrates well with suppliers, making it easier to add products to your store. But here's the catch: while the integrations work, they can be a bit clunky compared to more specialized dropshipping platforms. This can slow you down if you're trying to scale fast, and automation is not as robust as you'd like. In dropshipping, speed is crucial, and you need everything running like a well-oiled machine, which leads us to the next point. The third thing to think about is the pricing. ShopWired's plans are relatively affordable for beginners, but as your business grows, you might find yourself needing more features. The advanced plans are pricier compared to competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce, which might be better suited for growing businesses. It's definitely worth considering your long-term goals before committing, especially if you expect to scale quickly. The fourth thing is the support system. ShopWired offers decent customer support with live chat and phone support available. However, some users have reported slow response times during peak hours, which could be frustrating if you're facing technical issues while running your store. Reliable support is key in dropshipping, so you might want to think about how much you rely on customer service when considering ShopWired. Now, let's talk about the overall user experience. While the platform is straightforward, it can sometimes feel a bit basic. You won't get as many built-in marketing tools or in-depth analytics as you would with other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. In dropshipping, being able to analyze your data and create marketing strategies on the fly is crucial to success, so you might want to look for a platform with more advanced tools. Finally, ShopWired's mobile optimization is another plus. The platform automatically adapts to mobile devices, which is essential since many customers shop on their phones these days. However, this is a standard feature that most platforms offer, so it doesn't necessarily set ShopWired apart from others. So, what's the takeaway? While ShopWired can be a solid choice for dropshipping, it's not the ultimate solution. You may find yourself needing more features, better support, or better integrations as you grow. If you're looking for something more tailored to dropshipping and better suited for scaling, I've got a recommendation for you. At the end of this video, I want to mention that I've got an exclusive, extended free trial for ShopWired for you. But if you're serious about dropshipping and want something that's faster, more customizable, and has better integrations, I've added a few amazing alternatives that I think will suit your needs even better. These platforms also come with free trials, and through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Check it out, give it a try, and see which platform works best for you. Don't miss out.